Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video, and today we are going to explore Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0 on POCO F5. Let's start with the changelog first. So here we can see there are some system upgrades like March 2025 and Android 15 also. And we have a live design philosophy, one of the core features of HyperOS 2.0. and Xiaomi updates on Xiaomi HyperOS, Xiaomi Hyper Connect, and there are many underhood changes. First of all, we can see the updater has been updated itself. So we got the nice glowing gradient glowing effect on the background, and we also got the Android 15 update as I was talking about. Here you can see. And let's go to the home screen to check the new things we have got. Here we can see I have designed or made a new setup. Hope you like that. And starting with control center, we got a new scrolling animation here. As you can see how it is coming out and going back. The animation has been changed. And not only that, I have found that the bars also got some additional features, like if you tap and hold on the brightness bar, then we can see some new additional buttons here. You can turn on and off auto brightness, you can control dark mode and also reading mode. And we have got new volume panel here. You may just click and hold that to get some additional options here, and that's it for the control center. Then going back to the notification panel, here we go. As you can see, we have got a new animation here too, similar to this control center animation. Here you can see that it's quite elegant and feels smooth. That's the interesting part. Let's talk about the home screen features. First of all, you will notice the app opening and closing animation is now more smoother. As you can see here, this is so smooth. And the second thing you got, that is the parallax effect on the wallpaper. Notice that the wallpaper is zooming in while opening the app and zooming out while closing the app. You may need a closer look. See, this is quite interesting. Talking about some more features on the home screen, we have got some new weather widgets. Weather widget I was talking about previously. We got 1, 2 and 3 and 4 new widgets for the weather app. One demo you can see in my home screen. It just got changed. Another small but elegant change in the volume panel. You can see the volume bar has been changed and got a new glassomorphic look, blurred in the background. And if we expand that, we get a nice and fluffy look in the bar, in the panel. Not only that, you will get a good user experience here also. As you can see, if we maximize the volume, it expands a bit. Likewise, if we decrease the volume to 0 and want to decrease more, then it pulls itself down a bit. Also, there is a vibration. Let's go on some more depth and talk about more in-depth features. Like, we have got a new feature in HyperOS interconnectivity. The feature is call sync. Now you can receive or reject calls from your tablets and Xiaomi computers. And Coming into the personalization section, that has been updated, and we can see that there are features added, the look has been changed. Let's start with the home screen first. Now there is a new option added, home screen effects. When we can here, we get another option to blur the wallpaper. To enable that, the wallpaper got blurred. If you want, you can use it, but I don't like for this wallpaper. For my setup it is not suitable, so I will opt out from this. And now if we talk about the always on display, this is the same thing. The icons, let it be loaded, and you can change the icon size here, and fonts using Nissans, which looks cool, and some new wallpapers added here, like the previous system wallpapers are already there. New wallpapers are added here. There are some new, and editor pick also added, nice and cool. Now let's talk about the feature you were waiting for, or we can call the main feature of Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0, the lock screen. And we have got some new lock screen styles here, and the previous ones are redesigned, so it will look more elegant and cool. You will get more customization options here, like we can change the font, we can change the size, or maybe the character spacing or the line spacing. You can also change the colors here of the fonts. Here you can see that you get a nice and cool depth effect. You can also use custom wallpapers. Talking about the wallpaper effects, the sheet has been changed, the sheet has been updated, and the previous ones are already added, like the matte effect or the glass effect. You can also enable the matte effect for a nice blurry look. Also, you can only blur the wallpaper, or the new feature has been added, that is lens filter. It will add a lens kind of filter in the wallpaper. It is nice and cool. If you may want that, you can use that. Card changes, I am happy with my custom lock screen which I was using. Talking about some more changes, let's go to the additional settings, and we got a new feature called user. You can now use multiple users on the phone. It is an Android 15 feature which has been added. Some of the system apps has also been updated, like the recorder app. The recording button has been updated with a new touch with gradient colors. And next is the clock app. We have the new alarm redesign. We have the new world clock redesign. We have the stopwatch. We have the timer. Also, the weather app has been updated a bit. Like the background is now more realistic. And some more changes are which are quite impressive, like if you open the recorder and start recording, what will happen is, if you go to the home screen, see, here is the recording is going on. See, you can directly come here and stop it. And the clock app also some similar update. Like if we start the timer and go back to the home screen, it comes here and you can see the timer. Let's stop it. So that's the end of the video, and we have seen many new features in the Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0 on the POCO F5 changes from UI to the UX design, and also there are multiple under the hood changes which improve the performance of the device. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Thank you.